Now, if I want, I can also change a bit this mesh, because of course, maybe here it's not exactly flowing the way I want it. Can go to top, then enable the render view. So here you see how it looks, and here is my mesh, and I want to move a bit these to make sure that this is flowing the right way. And to edit this, I'm gonna use the soft edit. Soft edit is quite nice. There it is. When I enable it, a panel pops up. It's a nice feature that will allow you to basically not just edit the mesh itself. As you can see, whenever I select a point, it shows me a heat map of, okay, this point is going to move a lot, but then the rest of the mesh is going to move alongside. Now this is a bit too much. I want to reduce the influence, so I'm going to go for 15. It's probably already too much. Yeah, go down to 10. The soft edit will allow me to change my mesh nicely and adapt it to whatever I want. So I'm gonna re-enable URD. Move to bottom view. So here I can easily change and adapt my mesh, then match the curve. And this works also when I want to, I don't know, pick some, for example, an edge here, and I want to move it a bit up because of whatever reason. I can use the soft edit and then get this nice effect of the part flowing just nicely.